In this video, we will see together le présent de l'indicatif, peut-être more precisely when we use it as an imperative. So yes, it is possible to use le présent de l'indicatif as an imperative. So if you don't really want to use the imperative form, it will be totally possible to use it with le présent de l'indicatif. Let's take an example here. Tu fais tes devoirs maintenant. So you could use the imperative form. You could say fais tes devoirs maintenant, but in fact the fact that you are using the present form, tu fais tes devoirs maintenant, of course you need to work on the punctuation here. You need to put this exclamation mark because it's extremely important, and of course the intonation will be a key point here. You need to be really strict if you want to give an order by using le présent de l'indicatif. Tu fais tes devoirs maintenant. Tu peux me regarder quand je te parle. Same thing here. You will use the présent de l'indicatif instead of the imperative, but clearly you need to indicate it with your voice and with your tone and of course with your body language too. Tu peux me regarder quand je te parle. Don't forget le point d'exclamation in the end. Tu fais tes devoirs maintenant. Tu peux me regarder quand je te parle. Tu descends la poubelle. Merci. So in that situation, you are clearly giving an order to the person and you are using the présent de l'indicatif instead of the imperative form. If you prefer, you could use the imperative form. You just drop the tu and then you put the sentence descends la poubelle. Merci. Let's have a look at the last one. Tu ne me réponds pas. D'accord? Tu ne me réponds pas, d'accord? In that situation, it's exactly the same concept. You are clearly giving an order to the person. You're using the present tense. So that's the reason why if you don't feel at ease with the imperative, you can always put the present. But remember that you will have to, well, raise your voice, use the tone, adapt it to what you want to express.